Okay, this is another artistry piece. A pianist with artistry does not hesitate at the bar line. So this one is going to be getting us to not hesitate whenever we see a bar line, but to continue along with those beats. So it's a nice steady rhythm and moves smoothly over the bar lines. Okay. It does have some different dynamics, forte and piano, and also when you're playing forte, it does not mean faster, it just means louder. And when we're playing piano, it doesn't mean play slower, but it means play softer. A lot of times we tend to, when it gets softer, we tend to slow down a little bit. We want to keep it on that beat. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these guys, and we're going to take a look. We're going to be doing a C 5-finger scale, okay? So it's going to be your right hand, okay, and your left hand, pinky on C. Okay, I'll just go ahead and warm up with those scales, right? So as each hand moves, we're playing the notes together. One thing you can do with this one is just take one line at a time. Okay, line 1, just work on this line. Just work on line 2, then play lines 1 and 2 together. So definitely take your time with this. Right? So right hand is on C, left hand is on G. What's nice about it is they're moving away from each other. Okay? So let's just do the right hand for number 1. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, F, E, D. Good. Now let's go ahead and just play measures 1 through 4 with our left hand. G, G, F, F, E, E, D, C, D, E, F. Okay. When you're comfortable with that, let's go ahead and put both hands together. And I'm just going to say the finger numbers, not the note names, because they are different notes playing with your right and left hand. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's a really great way to do these contrary motion scales, is to say the finger numbers, okay? Because our finger numbers are the same. Okay, let's move on to measure 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is actually just a repeat, but it's at a piano sound. Okay, so I'll do the finger numbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. You do not have to put it to a metronome just because you will be focusing on your finger numbers and the notes. But I'll do another video putting it to a metronome. When you're feeling comfortable for measures 1 through 8, let's go ahead and move on to the next page. This one has a different pattern. We're going to go ahead and use those finger numbers again. So let's just do the right hand. C. Remember, pause this video at any time. C. Oh, let's put it a little higher. D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. Okay. It's okay to write in every single finger number if you'd like also. I'm going to go ahead and just do the left hand bass clef. G, F, Now I'm going to put them together, but I'm going to say the finger numbers, okay? Because the finger numbers are the same. This is measured 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. Measures 13, 14, 15, and 16 are just a repeat of this line, but we're going to play it soft. I'm going to say the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. So let's go ahead and take a look at the measure 17. And this one, luck of the draw, is just like line 1 and line 2. Okay, so we already know this one. I'm just going to go ahead and do the finger numbers. 17, 18, 19, 20. Just like lines 1 and 2. This is forte. So 1, 1, 2, sorry about that. So 1, 2's doubles all the way to that 5. So feel free to write in those finger numbers. That's going to help your fingers remember what to do. Now 21, 22, 23, 24, those are just your C and G. Those are your landmark notes. C and G played together. Then C and G for right and left hand played together. And then next lower C for your left hand will be right here. So definitely break this up into small chunks. I would start with measures lines 1 and 2. Then do 9 through 16, lines 3 and 4 next. And then line 17 through 20 is just a repeat of 1 and 2.